Hello children, welcome to my channel Learn with Rehnaz and I'm your teacher Rehnaz. So today we're going to do a chapter Jaisa Sawal Vaisa Jawab. Sawal means question and Jawab means answer. So this is a story about Akbar and Birbal. You all must be knowing who is Birbal, right? He has an answer to every question. He is very clever. So in this chapter also, he's been asked 3 kinds of questions and Birbal gives a very clever and a funny answer to these questions. So let's find out what these questions and what answer Birbal gives.
The name of the chapter is Jaisa Sawal Vaisa Jawab. So Jaisa Sawal means just like how the way the question is, the same way Jawab means the answer. So how the question is, the same way the answer is. So this story is about Akbar and Birbal. You all must have been knowing the story. Must have heard a lot more stories about Akbar and Birbal. Birbal is very clever in his answers. So the same thing happens over here. Let's read the story. बादशाह अकबर अपने मंत्री बीरबल को बहुत पसंद करता था. So बादशाह अकबर अपने मंत्री is the minister who is in his court. बीरबल, his name is Birbal, को बहुत पसंद करता था. बहुत पसंद means likes very much. Okay, Akbar likes his minister Birbal a lot. बीरबल की बुद्धि के आगे बड़े बड़ों को भी कुछ नहीं चल पाती थी. बीरबल की बुद्धि, that means Birbal's buddhi means his cleverness. Okay, के आगे, in front of, बड़े बड़ों की, all the big people and all the smart and the known people, की भी कुछ नहीं चल पाती थी. That means nothing works in front of Birbal's cleverness. इसी कारण कुछ दरबारी बीरबल से जलते थे. इसी कारण, for this reason, कुछ दरबारी, few people in the court, बीरबल से जलते थे. They were jealous of बीरबल. वे बीरबल को मुसीबत में फंसाने की तरीके सोचते रहते थे. वे बीरबल को, वे is referring to the darbari, okay, the people in the court. बीरबल को मुसीबत में, to put him in the trouble, फंसाने के तरीके. Okay, so they were सोचते रहते थे. That means they kept thinking of all the types, like how they can put Birbal into trouble. So they used to think of the ways, तरीके is the ways of putting Birbal into trouble. अकबर के एक खास दरबारी ख्वाजा सरा को अपनी विद्या और बुद्धि पर बहुत अभिमान था. So there was one दरबारी, okay, अकबर के एक खास दरबारी ख्वाजा सरा, okay, his name is ख्वाजा सरा, को अपनी विद्या और बुद्धि, विद्या is his knowledge and buddhi is his cleverness, पर बहुत अभिमान था. He was very proud of. Okay, there was one man called Khwaja Sara. He was very proud of his knowledge and his cleverness. बीरबल को तो वे अपने सामने निरा बालक और मूर्ख समझते थे. So बीरबल को अपने सामने, in front of him, okay, so in front of him, he used to think of Birbal as Nira Balak, that means very innocent child, or Murkh and foolish, समझते थे. He used to think of Birbal as like that. लेकिन अपने ही मानने से तो कुछ होता नहीं. लेकिन, but, अपने ही मानने, like if he thinks of him, I mean only if he thinks like that, तो कुछ होता नहीं, nothing happens. Only if he is thinking about Birbal like that, nothing is going to happen. दरबार में बीरबल की ही तो तूती बोलती और ख्वाजा साहब की बात ऐसी लगती थी जैसे नक्कार खाने में तूती की आवाज. दरबार में बीरबल की ही तूती बोलती. That means in the court, darbar is the court, Birbal ki hi tuti bolti means everyone keeps talking about Birbal. Okay, like because he is very famous and he's very clever. his answers are very he has an answer for everything. So everyone keeps talking about him. So he is saying, okay, the Khwaja Sarai is saying, दरबार में बीरबल की ही तूती बोलती, only everyone keeps talking about him. और ख्वाजा साहब की बात ऐसी लगती थी. So Khwaja Sahab ki baat means the like everything what Khwaja Sahab speaks ऐसी लगती थी. It looks like जैसे नक्कार खाने में तूती की आवाज. नक्कार खाना में तूती की आवाज. It's a saying, okay? It's a saying like like when elder people are talking, the small ones should never speak in between. That if no one listens to the younger ones, if elder ones are speaking. So it's the same way, like if in a factory, the small flickering sound will be there, right? So the same way, he's comparing. It's just a saying. This nakar khane mein tudi ki awaaz. It's a saying, it's a muhavra, which is used in Hindi language, which means that like he is not being listened to. The Khwaja Sarai's words or anything is not being listened to because Birbal, everyone listens to what Birbal says. ख्वाजा साहब की चलती तो वे बीरबल को हिंदुस्तान से निकलवा देते, लेकिन निकलवाते कैसे? ख्वाजा साहब की चलती तो, if ख्वाजा साहब like if whatever he says, if everything was done, okay, तो वे बीरबल को हिंदुस्तान से निकलवा देते. हिंदुस्तान is from India. निकलवा देते, he would remove Birbal from India. लेकिन but, लेकिन is but, निकलवाते कैसे? How will he have removed? So Khwaja Sahab is saying, like if he could, like if everyone listens to him, he could have removed a Birbal from Hindustan. But how will he do that? एक दिन ख्वाजा ने बीरबल को मूर्ख साबित करने के लिए बहुत सोच विचार कर कुछ मुश्किल प्रश्न सोच लिए. एक दिन, one day, ख्वाजा ने बीरबल को मूर्ख साबित करने के लिए, मूर्ख means foolish, साबित is to prove that he is foolish, करने के लिए बहुत सोच विचार means he thought a lot, okay, with great thinking, कर कुछ मुश्किल, tough, मुश्किल is tough or difficult, प्रश्न सोच लिए, प्रश्न means questions, सोच लिए, he thought of. So to prove he is foolish, ख्वाजा साहब thought of some questions. उन्हें विश्वास था कि बादशाह के उन प्रश्नों को सुनकर बीरबल के छक्के छूट जाएंगे और वह लाख कोशिश करके भी संतोषजनक उत्तर नहीं दे पाएंगे. Okay, उन्हें विश्वास था. Unhe, that means for Khwaja, Unhe is Khwaja over here. Vishwas, he believed or he was sure कि बादशाह के उन प्रश्नों को सुनकर, कि like if he listens to that question, प्रश्नों को सुनकर means if he listens to the questions, बीरबल के छक्के छूट जाएंगे. छक्के छूट जाना is also a proverb over here, or the saying or muhavra, that he will get very stunned, okay, that he will be like amazed. और वह लाख कोशिश means if he tries a lot करके भी संतोषजनक उत्तर नहीं दे पाएंगे. If he tries many times, like lakh times, संतोषजनक, he won't give a satisfactory, संतोषजनक is satisfactory, उत्तर is answer, नहीं दे पाएंगे, he won't be able to give. फिर बादशाह मान लेगा कि ख्वाजा सरा के आगे बीरबल कुछ नहीं है. So he's saying to himself, okay, he's thinking to himself. फिर बादशाह, so then later the king, who is here, king here, the Akbar, मान लेगा means he will believe कि ख्वाजा सरा के आगे, in front of ख्वाजा सरा, बीरबल कुछ नहीं है. बीरबल is nothing in front of ख्वाजा सरा. ख्वाजा साहब अचकन पगड़ी पहनकर दाढ़ी सहलाते हुए अकबर के पास पहुंचे और सिर झुकाकर बोले. So Khwaja Sahab, okay, he is going in front of Akbar. Achkan pagdi pehankar. Achkan is the coat. Pagdi is the turban what they tie on their head. Pehankar, he wore all that. Dadi sahlate. Dadi is the beard. Sahlate means to move his hand on the beard. अकबर के पास पहुंचे. He went in front of अकबर और सिर झुकाकर. सिर is head. झुकाकर is to bow down. बोले, बीरबल बड़ा बुद्धिमान बनता है. बीरबल बड़ा बुद्धिमान. He thinks he is very smart or he is very clever. Khwaja Sara is telling in front of Akbar that Birbal thinks that he is very smart. आप भी उसकी लंबी चौड़ी बातों को के धोखे में आ जाते हैं. आप भी, you also, उसकी, बीरबल, लंबी चौड़ी, like whatever he speaks, बातों के धोखे में आ जाते हैं. That means like you also, dhoka is to cheat, okay? So he says that you are also cheated with all the words what he says, or whatever he says you will just listen and you're just getting cheated with everything what he says. मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप मेरे 3 सवालों के जवाब पूछकर उसके दिमाग की गहराई नाप लें. So he says, मैं चाहता हूँ, I wanted or I wish to, कि आप is you, Akbar, मेरे 3 सवालों, like my 3 questions के जवाब, answer, पूछकर, to ask, उसके दिमाग की गहराई नाप लें. To नाप is to measure. दिमाग is his brain. गहराई like is the depth. So he says, Khwaja Sara says to Akbar, like, I wish that you ask him 3 questions and get the answer for the 3 questions, and you measure the depth of his brain. Like he is trying to say that you can ask 3 questions and you can you can decide how clever he is. उस नकली अक्ल बहादुर की कलई खुल जाएगी. उस नकली means is false or it's not true, okay? He is saying that he's pretending to be clever. He is not so clever. Akal Bahadur means Akal is smart or clever. Bahadur is brave. कि कलाई खुल जाएगी means you will know the truth of how smart he is. ख्वाजा के अनुरोध करने पर अकबर ने बीरबल को बुलाया और उनसे कहा, बीरबल परम ज्ञानी ख्वाजा साहब तुमसे 3 प्रश्न पूछना चाहते हैं. क्या तुम उनके उत्तर दे सकोगे? सो ख्वाजा के अनुरोध करने पर, सो ख्वाजा के अनुरोध मीन्स to request, okay? करने पर अकबर ने बीरबल को बुलाया. अकबर बीरबल को बुलाया means called. So on request of ख्वाजा, Akbar called बीरबल और उनसे कहा, he told him, बीरबल परम ज्ञानी means like very knowledgeable, like you say he's a saint kind who knows everything. ख्वाजा साहब तुमसे 3 प्रश्न पूछना चाहते हैं. तुमसे is you. 3 प्रश्न is 3 question. पूछना चाहते हैं, he wants to ask you. क्या तुम, will you, उनके उत्तर दे सकोगे? Will you be able to answer his questions? बीरबल बोले, जहांपना जरूर दूंगा, खुशी से पूछें. So बीरबल said, Jahanpana means my master, or yes, your honor, you say, like, with respect you say. Zarur dunga, I will surely give. Khushi se पूछो, you ask me with happiness. ख्वाजा साहब ने अपने 3 सवाल लिखकर बादशाह को दे दिए. ख्वाजा साहब ने अपने 3 सवाल, all the 3 questions लिखकर means to write, बादशाह को दे दिए. He gave it to the बादशाह. अकबर ने बीरबल से ख्वाजा का पहला प्रश्न पूछा. So Akbar Birbal से he asked Birbal the first question. पहला प्रश्न means first question of what ख्वाजा had written. संसार का केंद्र कहाँ है? संसार is the earth or the world का केंद्र. केंद्र means center. कहाँ है? Where is the center of the earth? Okay, or the world. बीरबल ने तुरंत जमीन पर अपनी झड़ी गाड़कर उत्तर दिया. So बीरबल ने तुरंत means immediately. जमीन is ground पर on. अपनी झड़ी means the stick. Okay, his stick. गाड़कर means he dug the ground and he kept his stick over there. And उत्तर दिया means answered. यही स्थान चारों ओर से दुनिया के बीचों बीच पड़ता है. So he said यही स्थान, this place, चारों ओर, from all the four sides, से दुनिया के बीचों बीच पड़ता है. बीचों बीच means is the center. Like this point or this place, from if you look at from all the four sides, it falls on the center of the earth. यदि ख्वाजा साहब को विश्वास न हो तो वे फीते से सारी दुनिया को नाप कर देखें. So he says like yadi means if, ख्वाजा साहब को विश्वास न हो. विश्वास न हो means if he doesn't believe. तो वो फीते से सारी दुनिया को नाप कर देखें. फीते means with the tape. सारी दुनिया is the world, the full world को नाप कर दिखा दे. नाप कर दिखा दे means he can measure and show. दिखा दे means to show कि मेरी बात गलत है. मेरी बात, what I said गलत है, is not true. So Birbal, he answers very cleverly. He answers. He says this place itself. He puts his stick. He digs a place on the ground and he puts the stick there and he keeps the stick and he says like this is the place and this is the center of the earth. If ख्वाजा Sahab is not, he does not believe what I say, then he can measure and show the earth with the tape and prove that I am telling wrong. Okay, this is the answer what he gives to Akbar. Or the what do you say, बादशाह. Okay, अकबर ने दूसरा प्रश्न किया. So अकबर दूसरा प्रश्न is the second question. आकाश में कितने तारे हैं? आकाश is the sky. में in कितने तारे, how many stars are there in the sky? That was the second question what ख्वाजा साहब had given. बीरबल ने एक बेड़ मंगवाकर कहा इस बेड़ के शरीर में जितने बाल हैं उतने ही तारे आसमान में हैं. So he called one of the, like Birbal ने एक भेड़ means a sheep. Okay, मंगवाकर. So he called one. He told I want one sheep and he said इस भेड़ के शरीर में, भेड़ is the sheep, शरीर is body, में जितने बाल हैं, like how बाल is the hair, how many hair is there on the sheep, उतने ही तारे आसमान में हैं. So उतने ही means that many stars आसमान in the sky. So में है. So he says like how many hair the sheep has, that many stars are there in the sky. ख्वाजा साहब ने इसमें संदेह हो तो वे बालों को गिनकर तारों की संख्या से तुलना कर लें. So he says if ख्वाजा साहब को इसमें संदेह, if he has संदेह means doubt, okay, if he has doubt in this, तो वे बालों को गिनकर, गिनना is to count, so he can count the hair. तारों की संख्या means the number of stars से तुलना means to compare, कर ले, he can do it. So Birbal says that if Khwaja Sahib has a doubt on what he gave the answer, he can count the number of hair on the sheep and then he can compare it with the number of stars in the sky. Isn't it funny? Yes, and he's very clever, isn't it? Okay, now we'll go read the next one. अब अकबर ने तीसरा सवाल किया. तीसरा सवाल is the third question. संसार की आबादी कितनी है? संसार is the world, okay? आबादी means population, the number of people living here in the world. कितनी है? How many it is? Like how much it is? How many people are there in this world? बीरबल ने कहा जहांपना. जहांपना means my honor or my lord or my master. संसार की आबादी पल पल पर घटती बढ़ती रहती है क्योंकि हर पल लोगों का मरना जीना लगा ही रहता है. संसार की आबादी, the population, आबादी is population of the world. पल पल means every minute or every second पर. घटती means it comes down और बढ़ती means it goes up. रहती है, it keeps on coming down or it keeps going higher within every minute or every seconds. क्योंकि because हर पल every minute लोगों का मरना जीना लगा ही रहता है. लोगों is the people, keep marna is die, जीना is they new ones will be born, isn't it? Like every minute or every second someone somewhere will die or a new child will be born. इसीलिए यदि सभी लोगों को एक जगह इकट्ठा किया जाए तभी उनको गिनकर ठीक ठीक संख्या बताई जा सकती है. इसीलिए that's why यदि if सभी लोगों all the people को एक जगह in one place इकट्ठा, if you gather everyone in one place किया जाए, that if you get everyone in one place, तभी only then उनको गिनकर we can count them and ठीक ठीक संख्या, the correct number बताई जा सकती है, can be told. So he says so Birbal gives a very clever answer to this. He says that like in this world, like every minute or every second, people keep dying and some people will be born. Okay, so only if everyone are gathered together in one place, I can count them each one and I can correctly tell you how many number of people are living in this world. Is that possible? No, right? But he's given such a good answer to this. बादशाह तो बीरबल के उत्तरों से संतुष्ट हो गया. So लेकिन ख्वाजा साहब नाक बांह सिकोड़ कर बोले ऐसे गोलमाल जवाबों से काम नहीं चलेगा जनाब. So बादशाह तो बीरबल के उत्तरों, the उत्तर means answer. So the answer what Birbal gave says संतुष्ट हो गया. Santush means he was very happy. So the Akbar was very happy with the answer what Birbal gave. लेकिन but ख्वाजा साहब नाक बांह सिकोड़ कर, नाक is nose, बांह means eyebrows. Sikodkar means to twitch, okay? Like when you get angry and irritated, you twitch your nose and your eyebrows and you make faces, right? ऐसे गोलमाल जवाबों से काम नहीं चलेगा जनाब. He says ऐसे गोलमाल means like this kind of tricky or unsure answers you can't give and काम नहीं चलेगा. He says like you can't get away with this kind of answers. बीरबल बोले ऐसे सवालों के ऐसे ही जवाब होते हैं. So just like the title of the story is ऐसे सवालों, like this kind of questions के ऐसे ही जवाब होते हैं. This kind of questions will get this kind of answers only. पहले मेरे जवाबों को गलत साबित कीजिए तब आगे बढ़िए. He says पहले मेरे जवाबों first the answers what I gave को गलत like if it's wrong like साबित कीजिए, prove that my answers are wrong. तब आगे बढ़िए, then you move forward. So he says like first prove like my answers are wrong, then you prove, then you can move forward. ख्वाजा साहब से फिर कुछ बोलते नहीं बना. ख्वाजा साहब से फिर again कुछ बोलते नहीं बना. Like he could not tell anything more. So this is the end of the story, children. Like I hope you all have understood the story. It's a very funny chapter, isn't it? Like the witty questions what he asked, like what kind of questions he Birbal actually Khwaja Sahab actually asked like very difficult questions, like like how many people are there in this world and how many stars are there in the sky, like all these kind of difficult questions, and Birbal also gave difficult answers. So which he proved that he is very clever. So this is a chapter. I hope you all enjoyed the story. And if you have any doubts or if you have any comments, please don't forget to share it in the comment box. Okay.
I hope you liked the video. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification for all the videos I upload. Take care.